Okay, so the fish are in, the second set of fish, and the things are doing the stuff. The pumping is moving, the things are filling, the things are dumping back in here. Everything is doing its part. We'll see if these fishies survive. But I had to move some stuff around, and I killed a set of fish and all that. So this pump is like way more powerful than it needs to be. And it was never really properly flushing. It would just fill up and stay filled because the drain couldn't keep up with it. So I cut some slashes in the side of it, and that reduced the flow a lot, but it was spraying all over the inside of the barrel, which is getting a fair amount of it outside the barrel, and it was beating the shit out of the fish, so I put a sock around it, velcroed it on, and with the standpipe here, when it drained, it would drain real hard. It was like if you turned your garden hose on, and if you have really, really good pressure, you might come close to that. I mean, it was just the flow rate was so fast and laminar that, like, it was impressive. So that was beating the shit out of the fish too. So I put this other pipe around there. It's not really hooked up to anything. It's just sitting on the bottom. But that was enough to kind of slow down and settle down the water that was dumping out of there. And hopefully that'll stop beating up the fish so much. And I got some bigger fish than I had before. Hopefully these guys will be able to live. And it sounds like this is just starting. We can see where the water level is. I don't know if you can hear it so well, but it is just starting to flush. You can probably hear real good inside of there now. But even with that pipe around there, you can see it's a pretty vigorous flow coming out of that bottom. You see all the bubbles coming up and all that once it really gets going. You see what I'm talking about, how without that pipe around it to settle it down, that just beat the crap out of the fish. And it scares them, so they all go hang out over by the pump, and the pump is powerful, so it sucks them right up against it. I need to figure out some kind of cage to put around this pump, keep the fishies away from it. So I put a little brick fence there, but as soon as they get scared, they don't care about that fence, because it's only about halfway up the water. I don't know, I'll figure something out. And you can see now, you can hear, that's it, it's done dumping. So in the span of about 20 or 30 seconds, it drains that whole thing. That's impressive, that bell siphon. So there's a grow bed, it's lava rock. You can see the pump steadily filling. So goldfish food. Get in here, and this is exactly what this knife is made for, right? Am I doing this right? So you can see down in there, water fills up until it gets to this standpipe. Once it starts going through that standpipe without the bell siphon, it would just overflow through that and stay at a constant level. With the bell siphon, it starts siphoning from the very bottom here, pulls it up through that, and then down through that standpipe, and it drains the whole thing so fast. I'm impressed. I don't know. Hope that clears everything up.